Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to this week's Locksport update. This is a really fun video series that I run every single Saturday, and it serves as a great place for me to share with the community anything that I have been working on, and more importantly, it serves as a really great place for the community to share anything that they have been working on. As always, if you have anything that you'd like to see shared next week, please drop it in the comment section below, and I'll try to share it with the community next week. I just want to focus on one really small thing this week, and it's going to be negativity. In any sport, you're going to find people that are not going to like you, and they're just going to spread more negativity than positivity. If you're first starting out in log sport, please do not let any negative comments bring you down. As a whole, we are a very welcoming community. We want to see everyone succeed, and we really love to see people grow as a whole. I do not want to focus on any specific circumstances, but my channel and many other channels out there have been getting hit with a lot of specific negativity, and it's not always very constructive. I just want to say that to everyone, if you're first starting out, we're all here to support you, and I really want to see this sport grow as a whole. Even just over the last year, it has been really, really cool to see how much log sport has grown as a whole, and seeing all of these channels meeting some really great milestones. I am so proud to see my channel have reached over 30,000 subscribers, and a few channels that have recently reached a few milestones I'd like to share this week is ones that have reached 500 subs, which is a really, really cool thing to do. The first thing I'm going to mention is LegalLockPicker. LegalLockPicker is not currently at 500 subscribers, but he's about 5 or 10 subs away. He recently did a giveaway celebrating his success and wanting to get back to the community. And what I'm going to share with you right now is a quick clip of him announcing the winners to his giveaway.
Hey guys, LegalLockPicker here. Now the giveaway was very generous donation from UK Lockpickers. It was these dual gauge set here. That was the first place. The second place winner got a 12-piece beginner set, an honest 12-piece beginner set. And the third place was a Twitter-only prize. So out of the I think it was 20 or 30 people who did comments, there was only 8 people who entered in the Twitter one. So those 8 people were very smart. The first place prize, HelpfulLockPicker posted already, so I'm just going to tell you, was Cameron Dunn. Second place was Thumper, and third place, which was the Huck disassembly kit, which is this blue one right here, except it's going to be brand new, went to @CarrieBoggs.
Thank you so much for checking out LegalLockPicker. If you enjoyed what you saw and would like to see more content by him, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. Another really great channel that just reached 500 subscribers and has now surpassed it is Lebel. Lebel is such a great member of the community. He's always willing to help, offer his feedback, and he'll do anything for anyone to try to be helpful. So what Lebel did is he recently did a really great 500 subscriber giveaway, and what I'm going to do is just show a quick clip of his excitement and him sharing the winners of his giveaway.
All right, y'all, welcome back. It's Big Al, and it's time for that 500, now it's 500 plus subscriber giveaway. And first of all, I want to just take a second and thank you all very much, because this would, I'd probably still pick locks in my little lock lab here, but it wouldn't be so much fun without y'all making it so awesome, the lock sport community. We all make it great, man. So I just want to say thank you for all that, for making it so awesome. And also, second, I want to thank a lot of these, when I put up that video for the 500 sub giveaway drawing, there was a lot of people, because I mentioned these pick sets maybe going to some newcomers, people that don't have a whole lot yet, and I got an outpouring of comments of people completely agreeing with that and taking a pass on the giveaway, so that, like I said, newcomers or people that don't have a whole lot will get them. So thank you guys for doing that, because I think it's great. So again, I need you guys to get a hold of me ASAP. The sooner you get a hold of me, the sooner your stuff will go out, okay? There's the 2 winners. Austin D, and Mr. Rass or Harass. All right, that'll wrap it up.
Thank you so much for checking out Albert Lebel. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more content by him, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. Now I'd like to share just a few smaller channels that shared in the comment section next week. If you ever like to share anything for the updates, please leave them in the comment section below. I really do like to try to share them. And here are a few examples of people that left some updates. The first channel I'm going to mention is a very small channel, and it goes by Melds. Melds has about 4 subscribers, and he wanted to share that he is working on dimple locks. His comment says, "This isn't anything too exciting for the larger community, but I'll just share it here that I've just started picking dimple locks and trying float picking. I'm not quite used to the twisting to pick, but the float tensioning makes a big difference." And since he's left this comment a few days ago, he's actually picked open a dimple lock, and I'm going to share that success with you right now. Thank you so much for checking out Melds. If you enjoyed the content that you saw and you'd like to see more content by them, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link on the top here so you can check them out and consider subscribing. Every subscription makes such a big difference, and thank you so much for checking them out. The last channel that I'd like to mention this week is going to be called Lowell Forbes. Lowell Forbes is a smaller channel, and what this channel shared in the comment section last week is they said that they have a new channel with about 7 videos and only 31 subscribers. In their comment they said followers. At this time this channel has about 37 subscribers, and it is really cool to see all of these channels grow. So what I'm going to do right now is share a quick clip of Lowell Forbes opening up a lock.
Hey guys, I thought I'd break in one of my new locks that I got from Starry Lock. This little guy's cute. Oops, can't even pay attention to what I'm doing here. Oops. There we go. This one doesn't have a key, but it's got a nice spring tension on the core. I'll bring out this guy. Up this one a couple, 3 times. Still kind of new to all these new padlocks. There she goes. This one, oops, I just locked it up. It's got a nice spring on the core too.
Thank you so much for checking out Lowell Forbes. If you enjoyed the content that you saw and you'd like to see more content by them, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check them out and consider subscribing. I just want to say thank you again to everyone that has checked out all of these great channels and helped subscribe to them every week. It is really great to see the community grow as a whole. I'd like to say thank you again to everyone that helped support my channel by liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, clicking the bell, and just making my channel as fun and interactive as possible. Thank you again to everyone that has become a channel member. That is a really great feature to have so I can help grow my channel and really start to put some more effort into improving the quality and doing some more creative content. Just want to say thank you again to everyone that has supported my channel in any way. So that is all I have for you this week. This has been a really quick LockSport update video. I enjoy doing these every week. It is really fun to be able to share all of these updates with the community as a whole. If you have any more updates you'd like to share next week, as always, please drop them in the comment section below. If you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comment section below as well. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you all have a great day. And thank you so much, and I'll see you next Saturday.